Home remedies to make your skin and body look brighter, clear and healthy. These are the following home remedies. For dark circles, make a paste of potato, cucumber, almond oil and little bit of coffee. Apply it in a container and apply it on your eyes at night. For clear and brighter body, make a body scrub of sugar, ground coffee, body wash, honey and coconut oil. Put the scrub into an empty container and apply this scrub 2 to 3 times in a week. For pink lips, apply warm water and compress for 1 minute. Apply Vaseline generously and then add sugar and scrub it and cover your lips and leave it for 3 minutes and apply lip balm after it. For face wax, warm half cup filter water with half cup filter milk and add sugar and a pinch of turmeric. Cook for 2 minutes, let it cool down, then add gram flour and any peel off mask. Mix it, apply it like a thick layer on your face, let it dry and remove it in upward direction, then wash your face with water. For soft and bright hands, make a tea of rice flour, honey and lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Mix it well and apply it on your hands and wash it after 10 minutes and also apply Vaseline on your hands for night. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Click the link to watch my recent video.